everyone, Miss Sanders here. I assume everyone watched our video last night under assignments on our class website, and I have a quiz for you to do today. So you need to get into your email and open up the assessment that I have sent to you. And this screen will pop up that says video assessment. It says, please answer the following questions about the video. You need to, of course, put your name and your email. Then as you scroll down through it, there are 6 questions over the material on the video that I need you to answer so that I'll know that you watched the video. There's also a nice little summer picture for you. And at the bottom, I'll need you to push submit so that it will get sent to me and I can grade it. I just wanted to go over this with you to make sure that you knew how to do it. Thank you and happy quiz.